If you are going to print your documents at high quality, you need to check the resolution of your files. Resolution is the density of pixels within a given inch. It's recommended that you have at least 300 pixels per inch in your file for printing. If you want to check the resolution of an image with it selected, in the links panel, you'll see I have the image selected here. If you drop down this little disclosure arrow, you can show your link information. This will give you information about the file itself, its format, its file size, and more importantly, the effective PPI. This should be at least 300 pixels per inch for high quality print. If you do not have a high enough resolution, you will end up with the effect called pixelation. Pixelation is where you see the individual squares that describe the information in your file. So when it comes to high quality print, always make sure there are 300 pixels per inch at your effective PPI.